Get ready for the crypto boom of 2024. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 crypto investments with enormous growth potential. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to discover the digital assets that could reshape your financial future. The investments I'm going to cover are 4 cryptos and 1 stock. Not everyone is comfortable with buying and storing crypto, so I wanted to finish up with a crypto stock that will give you exposure to what many believe is the biggest investing opportunity of most of our lifetimes. So we'll cover the 5 investments I feel will make you serious profits. We'll finish up with exactly why the next 12 to 18 months are seen by many as potentially life-changing. There will be many crypto millionaires in the next bull market. Why not retail investors like me and you? Number 1 investment is number 1 in terms of market cap. It took me 5 years to fully get the importance of this particular crypto, and this is one of my biggest mistakes in over 20 years as an investor. Please don't let this be you and learn from my mistake. Number 1 is Bitcoin. The current financial system is broken. It's broken because of governments and central banks. When you fully understand inflation, quantitative easing, proverbial money printers, interest rates, market ups, market downs, you get that the current financial system is broken. You get that our financial system is manipulated by governments and central banks. Bitcoin can't be manipulated by governments and central banks, and this means it is decentralized. No one person, company, or government has control, and the data is stored on computers around the world. This is what makes it decentralized. Bitcoin is transparent as all the data stored on the Bitcoin network is stored on a public ledger that everyone can see. This isn't the case with government, and we don't know how they spend their money, or our money should I say. The Bitcoin network is secure. The Bitcoin network security is multi-layered. Transaction hashing, mining, block confirmations, and game theory all work together to make Bitcoin's blockchain very secure. Since the first transaction block back in 2009, the network has never once shut down, and no Bitcoin has ever been stolen from the blockchain. So the 3 benefits of Bitcoin that I've mentioned are: Bitcoin is decentralized, and this is a big benefit. Bitcoin is transparent, another benefit. Bitcoin is secure, again, another massive plus. Many people, many investors are put off by the price, but when you fully get Bitcoin, you realize that even 0.1 Bitcoin will be significant in years to come. Number 2 investment is number 2 in terms of market cap. Although I heard about it in 2017 and 2018, I didn't really learn about this crypto until January 2021. Going back to 2018, I've heard that a group of lads close to where I live in Middlesbrough had made millions by getting into Ethereum early doors. This just brought negative emotions like jealousy and FOMO. But looking back, it should have gave me a kick up the ass to get in and learn about crypto. Number 2 is Ethereum. I started investing into Ethereum because of the multiple use cases like smart contracts, DeFi, gaming, NFTs, etc. Ethereum has a robust and active community of developers, researchers, and contributors. The Ethereum community plays a crucial role in the ongoing development, improvement, and governance of the platform. Ethereum is continually evolving with regular upgrades and improvements. The transition from a proof of work to a proof of stake consensus mechanism as part of Ethereum 2.0 is a major ongoing development aimed at addressing scalability and environmental concerns. This moves us nicely on a number 3 investment, who many believe is the Ethereum killer. I am a huge fan of this crypto, but I don't think it will surpass Ethereum. Just my opinion. Solana is the 3rd investment I want you to look into and consider. I've been investing into Solana since January 2021, and this was my biggest success in the last bull market. I cashed out £20,000 and still had a couple of hundred tokens left over. Solana was one of the best performing cryptos in 2023. To find out what caused its success and why it's my pick for 2024, see the description below. Number 4 investment is Casper. This is a crypto I stumbled upon on crypto Twitter. I was seeing constant threads about CAS and how it's so much better than Bitcoin. I'm not so sure about this, but the sheer volume of tweets caught my attention initially. Then I'd seen Kid tweeting about it, and this definitely caught my attention. Seem is a crypto trader and entrepreneur. He knows his stuff big time and has serious crypto knowledge. I seen a talk he done at a network event in Teesside a couple of years ago, and he blew me away with his crypto knowledge. This is also when I really started to fully understand the negative effects of inflation. Casper, like Bitcoin, operates on proof of work. Proof of work is a form of cryptographic proof in which one party proves to others that a certain amount of a specific computational effort has been expended. Think huge computers with a lot of CPU power solving mathematical code. This is the fastest and most scalable instant confirmation transaction layer ever built on the proof of work engine, and according to the Casper website, solves the trilemma of security, scalability, and decentralization. Another one of my picks for 2024 worth looking into. Number 5 investment is a crypto stock, and this is Coinbase stock. Coinbase is a major player in the cryptocurrency market, and holding its stock allows investors to gain exposure to the broader digital asset ecosystem without directly owning cryptocurrencies. This is ideal if you're not comfortable buying cryptos on exchanges. There are loads of reasons I'm confident that the price of this stock will rise significantly, but the main reason is institutions. The increasing involvement of institutional investors in the cryptocurrency space could and should positively impact Coinbase. The Bitcoin spot ETF applications are likely to be approved in early 2024. Coinbase is the proposed custodian of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. This is a huge plus for Coinbase, as many experts believe billions will flood into the market from institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity. And this leads me nicely to my last point, why crypto is going to be life-changing for many investors over the next 12 to 18 months. There are many reasons to consider, but the 3 main things that will cause crypto to fly are the Bitcoin halving that is expected in April 2024, the expected Bitcoin spot ETF approval in early 2024. BlackRock have also filed for an Ethereum spot ETF. Then we're probably going to see the Fed turn the money printers on again, so that will see an increase in liquidity in the crypto market. So that's the Bitcoin halving, spot ETFs, and increased liquidity. Let's look at the spot ETF. BlackRock is just over $9 trillion under management. Let's say most of their clients have a traditional split of 60% stocks, 40% bonds. All of a sudden, Bitcoin spot ETF gets approved, and these clients can now get exposure to Bitcoin. They actually want exposure to Bitcoin. This might be 60% stocks, 35% bonds, and 5% Bitcoin. Let's be very conservative, and let's say on average, every client has 1% exposure to Bitcoin in 2024. That would mean 90 billion flooding into crypto, which is a huge sum of money. This is just something to think about as we come to the end of this video. So you now have my 5 crypto investments for 2024. And remember to see below in the description for a video that will tell you exactly why Solana is my number 1 crypto for 2024. Thanks for listening to today's video, for taking time out of your day. Really appreciate it.